Good morning, students. I am Pradeep Sharma from Little Angels High School, Gwalior, your social studies teacher for this academic session. I hope that you all are utilizing your time creatively. As you know that our school is closed because the entire world is facing a deadly virus, that is COVID-19. I hope you all stay at home and follow all the instructions given by your parents. As we don't have our regular classes, we have decided to make some informative videos of different lessons. And today we will discuss chapter number 1, that is the face of our motherland. Though I know that you don't have your social studies book with you, but I have covered all the major points given in this chapter. Before I start discussing the points from the book, let me ask you a question. Do you know the meaning of motherland? Let me help you with the answer. Motherland is the country where we and our family were born and which we feel a strong emotional connection with. So if we talk about us, India is our motherland. Now let's start our chapter. And in this chapter, we will learn about physical features of India, some facts about our country, neighboring countries of India, and main physical division of India. As you have already studied the terms like coast, plains, hills, plateau in your previous grade, and all these are called the physical features of a country. Now let's talk about the physical features of India. The northern side of India is shaped like a crown. The Great Himalayan Mountain Range is the crown of India. Let's look at this map. And if you look at the area encircled in red, this area is shaped like a crown. Many rivers originate from the Himalayas and flow through the plains in different paths. So the rivers like Indus, Chenab, Ravi, etc. originate from the Himalayas. The southern part of India is shaped like a cone. In this map you can see the area which is encircled in red. It's shaped like a cone. The length of our country from north to south is about 3,200 kilometers, and from west to east it is about 3,000 kilometers. The southern part of our country is peninsula. A peninsula is a piece of land surrounded by water on three sides. So if you look at the cone that we discussed in the previous slides, this area is covered or surrounded by water on three sides. That's why we call it peninsula. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of India. And what do we mean by Tropic of Cancer? It's an imaginary line drawn on world map which we can use to locate places on Earth. So it's really important. It's an important line which helps us to locate places on this planet. Now some facts about India. In terms of area, we are the 7th largest country in the world. And India is the world's second most populous country after China. The country is so large that an ocean is named after India. Thus we have the Indian Ocean which lies to the south of India. Now let's talk about main physical division of India. The physical divisions of our country are the northern mountains, the northern plains, the Great Indian Desert, the Deccan Plateau, the coastal plain, and the islands. If you look at this map, the area that you see in brown color, that is the northern mountain. The area that you see in green, it's the northern plains. The area in yellow is Great Indian Desert. The area that you see in light pink is Deccan Plateau. And the coastal plains are in green. And if you look at Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep, it's in blue. Now let's talk about neighboring countries of India. India has 8 neighboring countries, and they are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Myanmar, and Bangladesh. You can see the location of all these 8 neighboring countries in this map. So it has Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka. Now let's review what we discussed in this chapter. We discussed about physical features of India, some facts about India, neighboring countries of India, and we also discussed about main physical division of India. So here I finished this chapter and I will upload the notes of this chapter on LHS app in next few days. I hope you utilize your time well. Stay home and stay safe.